If your back hurts when you sit, you need to see this.
Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Save this and come back stronger. If you want to feel the burn and see results, watch this.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Dumbbell low windmill,
Today's gonna be a good
scissors cross,
Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to
alternate
do,
lying floor leg raise,
good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it.
seated leg
Set a goal
raises,
you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick
bent knee lying twist.
concentration, and if I make a mistake,
Most people
it's
use
all
this machine wrong.
education. I try
Let me
to
show you how to fix it.
call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high,
Say,
other times
your
I'm
rear
in
delts
breathing,
aren't
yo.
growing because you're making these mistakes.
Hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they ride. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken. I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate.
Most people do this wrong. Don't be one of them.
Foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Save this. Hold on. See this cable angle. It changes everything.
Today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gonna rise to the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard
Save this. If your shoulders are helping, your biceps are sleeping.
Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise to the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna
Save